If you've ever tried to cut, trim, crown molding, or framing lumber with a saw that just isn't up to the job, you already know how much of a difference the right miter saw makes. A good one gives you clean, accurate angles every single time. A bad one leaves you fighting tear out, drift, and cuts that never quite line up. There are a ton of miter saws on the market right now, ranging from compact cordless models you can toss in a truck to full-size sliding compound saws built for serious trim and framing work. So today we're counting down 20 of the best reviewed miter saws you can buy, starting with some solid budget options and working our way up to the saws that shoppers rate the highest again and again. Let's get into it. Number 20. Yumark 10-inch miter saw. Kicking things off is a straightforward corded miter saw built for anyone who just wants reliable, no-frills cutting power. The 10-inch blade spins at 6,000 RPM, which is plenty of speed for clean cuts through standard dimensional lumber and trim. It's built around precision miter angle settings, so you can dial in your cut and trust that it'll hold. This isn't a saw loaded with extras. It's a saw that covers the basics well, at a price that makes sense for occasional use. If you need something for light home projects and don't want to spend a fortune, Yumark is a reasonable place to start. Number 19. Makita LS0816F81/2 Slide Compound Miter Saw. Next up is a compact slide compound saw from a brand that needs no introduction. Makita built the LS0816F around an 8.5-inch blade, which is smaller than most saws on this list. But that's the point. It's designed for tighter spaces and lighter duty trim work where a full-size 10 or 12-inch saw would be overkill. The sliding function extends its crosscut capacity well beyond what you'd expect from a saw this size, so you're not as limited on wider stock as the blade diameter might suggest. It's a niche pick built for a specific kind of job, but if that job is yours, it delivers exactly what you need without the bulk of a bigger machine. Number 18. DEKOPRO 10-inch compound miter saw. The DEKOPRO is another budget-friendly entry, and it earns its spot by keeping things simple and dependable. A 13-amp motor drives a 10-inch blade, giving you enough torque for everyday trim, molding, and framing tasks around the house. It's a single-bevel design, so you'll be flipping your stock for opposite angle cuts. But for most home projects, that's a minor trade-off against the price. If you're setting up a first workshop or just need a saw for occasional DIY jobs, the DEKOPRO gets the job done without asking much of your budget. Number 17. VEVOR Sliding Compound Miter Saw. VEVOR steps things up with a full-size 12-inch sliding double-bevel saw, and the spec sheet punches above its price point. The 15-amp motor pairs with a 60-tooth blade, which is a fine tooth count that leaves a noticeably smoother finish on trim and molding compared to standard tooth blades. Double-bevel functionality means you can angle the blade in either direction without flipping your workpiece, which speeds up crown molding and picture frame style cuts considerably. For a newer name in the space, VEVOR is putting together a genuinely capable saw, and reviewers are already taking notice. Number 16. Metabo HPT 12-inch Dual-Bevel Sliding Miter Saw. C1 Taurus H3. Metabo HPT brings serious engineering to the table with the C1 Taurus H3. It's a 12-inch dual bevel slider, so you get both extended crosscut capacity and the convenience of angling either direction without repositioning your material. 9 to 10 stops give you quick, positive clicks at the most common miter angles, which speeds up repetitive cuts and keeps your work consistent. The 4,000 RPM no-load speed keeps things moving efficiently through thicker stock. This is a saw built for people who cut a lot of trim and don't want to second-guess their angles. It's a dependable option for serious hobbyists and pros alike. Number 15. DOVAMAN Updated 10-inch Sliding Miter Saw. DOVAMAN's updated 10-inch slider is built with versatility in mind, and it comes with 3 TCT blades right in the box. Having multiple blade options means you're ready for different materials right out of the gate, whether that's fine trim work or rougher framing lumber. The sliding rail system extends your cutting capacity for wider boards, and the overall build targets multi-material use rather than locking you into wood-only cutting. For someone who wants one saw that can flex across different project types, this DOVAMAN model offers a lot of practical range. Number 14. DOVAMAN 12-inch dual-bevel sliding compound miter saw. Moving up to DOVAMAN's larger 12-inch model, this one leans into raw cutting capability. The 15-amp motor drives the blade at 3,800 RPM, and dual-bevel functionality means you can tilt either direction for compound cuts without flipping your stock. A built-in laser guide helps you line up your cut line before the blade ever touches the material, which is a small feature that saves a lot of guesswork, especially for less experienced users. If you want a bigger blade, dual bevel flexibility, and laser guidance without stepping up to premium pricing, this is a well-rounded pick. Number 13. Evolution Power Tools R255SMS++. Evolution takes a different approach here, and it's worth paying attention to if your projects go beyond wood. The R255SMS+ is built for multi-material cutting, meaning the right blade can take it through wood, mild steel, and aluminum without switching saws entirely. That kind of versatility is rare on a miter saw, and it makes this one especially useful for anyone doing mixed material fabrication, metal framing work, or projects that cross between trades. If your work isn't strictly lumber, the Evolution R255SMS+ opens up options most saws on this list simply can't match. Number 12. Marv Tool 10-inch compound miter saw. The Marv Tool entry is a 10-inch single-bevel saw that focuses on solid fundamentals. A 15-amp motor spins the blade at 5,000 RPM, giving you strong, consistent cutting power for everyday trim and lumber work. The 0 to 45-degree bevel range covers the angles most home and light-duty projects call for, and the included extension table adds extra support when you're working with longer boards. It's a practical, well-equipped option for anyone building out a home shop who wants solid performance without unnecessary complexity. Number 11. 1&18V Cordless 7.1/4 Compound Miter Saw. If cordless freedom matters more to you than sheer blade size, the 1& is worth a look. Running on an 18-volt platform, this compact 7.25-inch saw is built to go wherever the job takes you, without a cord tying you to an outlet. It's a tool-only listing, so it's aimed at users who already have batteries in that voltage class, or who are building a matched cordless lineup from the ground up. For trim carpenters, remodelers, or anyone doing work in spaces without easy power access, the 1& trades a bit of blade capacity for a whole lot of mobility. Number 10. Makita LS1019L10 Dual-Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw. Now we're into the top 10. And Makita shows up again with a saw built for serious, repeat use. The LS1019L is a 10-inch dual-bevel slider with a built-in laser, giving you both cutting flexibility and precise line-up before every cut. Dual bevel means faster workflow on crown molding and any job that needs angles cut in both directions, since you're not stopping to reposition your stock. Makita's reputation for build quality and smooth operation shows up here, and it's a big reason this saw consistently earns strong marks from people who use it daily. Number 9. Metabo HPT 10-inch single-bevel compound miter saw C10FCG2. Metabo HPT lands another entry in the top 10 with the C10FCG2, and this one's all about precision. The 15-amp motor delivers dependable power to a 10-inch blade, and the Zac Cut Shadow Line system projects a crisp shadow right along your blade path, so you can see exactly where you're about to cut before you commit. It's a single bevel design, which keeps the saw simpler and typically lighter, a fair trade for users who don't need dual direction bevels for their day-to-day work. For trim carpenters who value that extra bit of visual precision on every cut, this Metabo HPT model is an easy one to recommend. Number 8. Skill 10 Dual-Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw MS630500. Skill rounds out the value end of the top 10 with a dual bevel slider that punches well above its price point. Having dual bevel on a saw at this level is a genuine convenience, letting you angle either direction without flipping your workpiece around. The sliding rail system extends your crosscut range, so you're not boxed in on wider boards the way you would be with a standard non-sliding saw. For anyone who wants dual bevel flexibility and slide capacity without paying premium brand pricing, Skill has built a genuinely competitive option. Number 7. Craftsman V20 Cordless Sliding Miter Saw CMCS714M1. Craftsman brings cordless convenience and sliding capacity together in one compact package. The V20 platform powers a 7¼ blade, and despite the smaller blade size, the sliding function stretches its crosscut capacity to handle wider stock than you'd expect. Battery and charger are included, so you're ready to cut right out of the box. No separate battery purchase required. This is a great option for anyone who wants the mobility of a cordless saw without giving up the extended cutting range that a slide rail provides. Number 6. Saker Miter Saw Protractor. This next entry isn't a saw at all, but it earns its place on this list because of how much it improves the accuracy of whatever saw you're already using. The Saker Protractor is a 7-inch aluminum angle finder built with a precision laser, letting you measure and transfer angles directly onto your material before you ever make a cut. For anyone doing trim, molding, or baseboard work, mismatched angles are one of the most common sources of wasted material. This tool takes a huge amount of the guesswork out of that process. It's an inexpensive accessory that pays for itself the first time. It saves you from a bad cut, and it's become a favorite companion tool for miter saw owners everywhere. Number 5. Dual 20VMX71/4 Miter Saw DCS361M1. We're into the top 5 now, and Dual starts things off with a cordless saw built for people who value portability without sacrificing Dual's reputation for reliability. Running on the 20VMAX battery platform, this 7¼ saw comes as a kit, battery and charger included, so it's ready to work the moment you open the box. It's compact enough to carry easily between job sites, but still delivers the clean, accurate cuts Dual is known for. If you're already invested in the 20VMAX ecosystem, or you just want to grab and go saw for trim and remodeling work, this is an easy one to trust. Number 4. Dual 12 Double Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw with XPS DWS 780. Dual lands a second entry in the top 5, and this one is built for serious precision. The DWS 780 pairs a 12-inch double bevel design with Dual's XPS LED shadow light system, which projects an ultra-precise shadow of your blade directly onto the material, so you can fine-tune your cut line before you ever pull the trigger. Double bevel means you can angle the blade either direction without repositioning your stock, which is a huge time saver on crown molding and detailed trim work. For anyone who wants professional level accuracy and doesn't want to compromise on features, this Dual is one of the most well-rounded saws on the entire list. Number 3. Dual 20VMX71/4 Miter Saw Cordless DCS361B. Cracking the top 3 is another cordless Dual, and this one has built a serious following. It shares the same 20VMX platform and 7¼ blade as its sibling further down this list, but here it's offered as a tool-only option, aimed squarely at users who already have Dual batteries on hand. That flexibility, combined with Dual's dependable cutting performance, has made it one of the most reviewed cordless miter saws on the market. If portability is your top priority, and you're already in the Dual battery family, this saw is about as easy a recommendation as they come. Number 2. Dual 12 miter saw. 15 amp, single bevel, DWS 715. Just barely missing the top spot is a saw that's become something of a workhorse standard in the trim carpentry world. The DWS 715 runs a 15 amp motor through a 12-inch blade, giving you strong, consistent power for everything from framing lumber to detailed trim. It's a single bevel design, which keeps the saw straightforward and easy to master, without the added complexity some users don't need. With one of the highest review counts of any saw on this list, it's clear that a huge number of woodworkers and contractors trust this saw for daily use, and it's easy to see why. Number 1. Dual 12 Double Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw, DWS 779. And that brings us to the very top of the list. The DWS 779 combines a 12-inch blade with double bevel functionality and a sliding rail system, giving you the full package: extended crosscut capacity, angle flexibility in both directions, and the strength to handle demanding cuts day after day. It comes with a blade wrench and clamp included, so you're set up to start working right away. With the highest number of reviews and one of the strongest ratings of any saw we covered today, this is the miter saw that woodworkers, framers, and trim carpenters keep coming back to. If you want one saw that can genuinely do it all, this is the one to beat.